Earn $300 per week just by doing simple tasks. Today, I will tell you a very unique idea, with the help of which you can easily earn a minimum of $300 free PayPal money. All you need is a mobile phone and a good internet connection, that's it. And if you also have a laptop, then your work will be even more easier. You don't need to invest any money. This means that method is 100% free and 100% legit.
Do it! Just do it!
So before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then first subscribe and press the bell icon, so that you will get the updates on our new videos. And also give a big thumbs up to the video. If you have any questions, then do tell me in the comment box below. And one more important thing, at the end of the video, I will give you special bonus tips that will change your life. And you will be able to earn more and more money, so do watch the video till the end. I will guide you complete step-by-step tutorial, so don't miss any points. So hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can earn $300 per week just by solving mathematical questions.
What?
Yes, you heard it right, you can earn free PayPal money just by solving maths questions. Hardly you have ever heard about this method before. Because this is a unique method to earn money online. Photomath is the world's most popular math learning app. Through step-by-step explanations, the app instantly scans, accurately solves, and intuitively explains math problems to users. The main goal is to assist people in understanding and mastering math. The Photomath Math Expert Marketplace is an online platform where you can solve and review math problems while earning money. You can select the tasks that correspond to your level of expertise. You will find the link to the website in the video description, which is our referral link. If you sign up with our referral link, you can get a $10 free sign-up bonus. The best thing about this website is that here you can strengthen your maths, and you can also increase your knowledge, and you can become an expert in mathematics. Also, you can earn a decent amount of money as well. So if your maths is good, then this website is specially made for you. There are 5 types of math tasks from which to choose: algebra, elementary, geometry, calculus, and statistics. There is no limit to the number of categories you can select. If you want to become a math expert, then your age is mandatory above 18. It's as simple as that to become a math expert. We need to examine your math knowledge and teach you how to solve review tasks in accordance with our solution requirements, before you begin solving reviewing tasks on the Math Expert Marketplace. At first, you have 2 options. Choose a math field bundle to become qualified in multiple math fields at once, or choose an individual field to become qualified in. When you choose a bundle or a specific math field, you must pass tests and quizzes to become qualified and begin solving tasks. More work equals more money. You will be compensated for each solved math task and each review of the tasks of other math experts. Earnings are determined by the number of successfully completed and reviewed math tasks. Each math task will be assigned a rate based on its complexity. Compensation will vary depending on how many tasks you solve and review. Our top math experts can earn $300 plus per week based in the number of hours they spend solving tasks. You can receive up to $30 on your first payment as a reward for your efforts in becoming a math expert. More difficult math problems will pay you more money. So if you solve very complicated math questions, you will be able to earn more and more money. Payments are processed weekly via an online payment platform. Before making the first payment, you will be prompted to create an account on the payment platform. How does it work? First, you will work on math problems. Then, you will go over math solutions. The amount you are paid depends on the number, type, and complexity of problems you solve and review. You are compensated for both. Is this website right for you? Or not? If you have a few spare hours each week. If you are proficient in advanced algebra, geometry, calculus, and statistics, if you speak English well. So this site is right for you. So first of all, you have to sign up on this website. Simply click on the sign up button, and you can sign up directly from your Gmail. In this way, after this, you will have to fill in some of your personal details here. Here you will enter your name. Then you will enter the name of your country. And then enter your date of birth. Make sure that your age is more than 18 years, then only you will be able to register yourself here. So after that, you have to tick the term and conditions here. And tick this too. And after that, the privacy policy page will open. If you want, you can read it. After reading, you have to scroll and click on the accept button. Then the page of the contribution agreement will open. You can read this also. Type your signature here. If you want, you can also decline them, and you can also accept them. After ticking both the options, click on the simple confirm button. So congratulations, you have successfully registered. And a new dashboard will open in front of you. Here you can read, it is written here that, don't let your $50 bonus fly away, and here also you can read finish training to earn a $10 bonus for each new field you complete.
Oh my god! Wow!
Max bonus of $50. Here you also get the refer and earn program. From here you can earn extra money. You'll earn $20 for every referral that joins and solves 100 tasks. That is a huge amount. You have to click on the copy referral link. Now you can share this link in your friend circle, and if you have a good audience on any social media platform, then you can share the link on social media. There you can earn money by promoting your referral link. Simply copy the referral link and send it to someone who enjoys math and wants to earn money by solving and reviewing math problems. Photomath currently pays experts through Payoneer. Every Thursday, payments are processed. To begin receiving payments, connect your Payoneer account to your Photomath account. Your Payoneer account must be activated. They have more than 5 million customers. More than 2,000 employees worldwide, 24 global offices, and supports more than 35 languages. You will get a $25 free sign-up bonus if you sign up through our link. Creating a payment account on Payoneer is very easy. You will find the link to Payoneer in the description box below. Just open the link, click on the register button and register your Payoneer account. After this, you have to come here to the payment tab. Then your payment dashboard will open. This is the total amount of money you have earned on Photomath since you've joined. This one is the total amount earned from approved solved jobs. This is the total amount earned from approved review jobs. Here is your pending payment, and this one is qualification, performance, and visual bonuses. After that, this is the list of current pay period transactions. And this one is a list of all your transactions to date. You can also read payments in from here, just click on it. From here you can also check payment question answers, tax form question answers, and referral option question answers. If you are a new user, then you must read this. Then go to the profile. And then go to the payment, and you can see, here you get the payment method only Payoneer. So you need to create a Payoneer account. After this you have to come to the training page. It is very important to understand this training page. This is the intro page. Here's a piece of more information about our training structure and content. You have 4 sections: math proficiency, training structure, final test, additional resources. It is very important for you to read these 4 instructions carefully. After reading this completely, you will understand the complete structure and how this method works in actuality. Seriously, I have liked this website very much because I also like math very much. After this, the second section is on math proficiency. Here you gave 2 options. The first is bundled, and the second is individual fields. If you are ready for a bundle, elect a bundle, and prove your proficiency in 3 fields. By solving only 12 questions you'll earn a $30 bonus when you complete training, $10 per field. If you are not ready for a bundle, then go with the individual fields. Then start with a single field that consists of 6 questions. You will earn $10 per field when you complete training. For example, just click on any one task, and then click on continue. Okay, so here you can see your time duration is 120 minutes, and here you need to read these important notes. Do not open the Photomath portal in a new tab or window. While solving the test, or the test will be immediately submitted and graded with 0. So it is really important for you, don't think yourself too smart. Okay. After that, just click on start test, and your test will started. If you face any problem, so you go to their product page. From here you can learn first. And then you can start training. They also have a mobile application. If you want, you can download the app in your mobile. So in this way you can improve your skills by solving the questions of mathematics, and as well as you can earn decent amount of money for yourself. Wait, I have a special bonus for you, which can completely change your life. So if you want to live a luxury lifestyle, if you want to fulfill your family's dreams, so for this, you have to earn a lot of money. Only then you can achieve everything in your life. So I will recommend you a very profitable online business model, which will completely change your life. This is not just a course, it is a full-time successful online business. And thousands of people are doing this business sitting at home. And this is an affiliate marketing course. Thousands of people already purchased this course because it is a profitable online business model from where you can earn $1,000 a day. The link is given in the description below. Go to our video description and check out this very profitable business model right now. May this course change your life also. So I hope you have liked the video. You must have liked our new method today. If yes, then give a like to the video, which is free of cost. And also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of our new videos. So we're gonna end the video. See you in another new video.